thank you for the views and the new subscribers we got over the couple of days from the show. The video's at 2.5K views. I can't believe it. It's going off the roof. Appreciate y'all, love y'all. And I noticed a lot of y'all not subscribed, so you can just hit the subscribe button, help a brother out. I'm saying make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see every time I post a video. Today we're gonna be working on the truck today. The other day we did the back speakers. So today we're gonna do the front speakers. So just give me a moment to pull the truck in and I'll get right into it.
The other day too, another one just like this.
Yeah.
But I unscrewed them by hand while holding it. Bro, it took me. It didn't take me long to do it after I did yours. Which ain't the first one I've done, but
yeah.
Still. Last ones to do, and you'll be done. And then it's blow through time.
Oh, I'm ready.
I already got the design done. I'm already done with the design.
Just gotta order the subs. That piece gotta come off.
This is gonna snap out.
Yeah, that gotta come off too.
It's gonna come off.
Yeah.
I left one of my favorite pry tools in a car the other day.
That's right up.
I'm mad I left it in there too. One down. Gimme.
Gimme.
Oh, I gotta get some cleaning in the shop done too.
Now we gotta fit this 2 holes back to fit. Oh, need them screws. Yeah.
like I wanted it to.
Yeah.
You'll never see it.
Yeah.
go out there and cut this whole damn thing out.
Yeah, probably do. Yeah. Yeah. Put the bolts in it. They come with it.
Guess I just didn't want extra.
What's up?
Guess I missed one of the other ones.
Alright, shut 'em off. Yeah.
Teflon nuts. You ain't gotta use washers or makes it simpler on plastic.
Alright, I'm gonna wire them up and then we'll get back with y'all. Alright, now again, do a little modification.
Ow.
Okay. It works.
I don't want to take away a lot though, because I'll start messing with stuff. Get in your hole! More right there. Usually don't use this type of technical cutting tool. I have the proper tool, but I'm out of blades. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Perfect fit.
Yeah. Got wired up now.
Yep.
The doors in, put it back together. Good door in. We ready to test it, put everything back together. So it is next day. Let y'all see it all installed. So we have 6.5 to the next door. So 6.5 on the massive 1K. I think it's at 1 ohm or 2 ohm. Also, we'll be adding 2 super tweeters in the front. We didn't have time. Also, sorry about it cutting out on the video. Just I'm only using my camera, but I'm using my phone like I'm doing right now, and it overheats when it gets too hot outside, so it cut the video. So hope you at least got a little glimpse of how loud it was. I can't play it over here where I live. My neighbors are really talking constantly. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out another video I post. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.